Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are watching me from. Welcome to this family, Royal Q MMBM. For those of us who have been asking how can we download, how can we register, all you need to do is to go to your Play Store, either on iOS or on AOS, Android operating system or iPhone operating system. All you need to do is to type Royal Q. You type Royal Q, okay? Once you type Royal Q, it will be downloaded. Then you open it. Once you open it, you register, and I'm going to show you the step right away. So after downloaded, you open it. It brings you to the interface. Then all we have to do is to click on register. You click on register here. So you enter, just click on it. So let's do that now. So you are going to input your email and your password. You input your email, then you put your password here, okay? Then you click on send. You click on this send here. A code will be sent to your email. A code will be sent to your email once you click on send, okay? Then you will now enter the code here. Click on this service agreement, then click on register. Okay, let me get that done now. Sorry, I missed a vital information. So here, please enter invitation code. You have to enter the invitation code of the person that's invited you to this group, or the invitation code of the person that told you about this program. Ask them about it. You cannot join this program except you are invited. So you need to ask of the person's invitation code, okay? You will enter the invitation code here. So once you have successfully registered on the application, all you need to do is to log in, okay? Your email, your password, click on login. Once you log in, it brings you to this interface. So quickly, let us bind our API. You have to link this your trading royal bot with your Binance or Huobi accounts. You have to bind it, and I want to quickly show you how to do that. Okay, this is Binance, but you must be on your Binance Pro. It is possible when you log into your Binance account, it brings out Binance Lite. Okay, it brings out Binance Lite. So in this case, if it brings out Binance Lite, this, when you click on this icon here, this is how Binance Lite look like. Maybe when you log in, it brings out Binance Lite. You see, Binance Lite. But this is not what you want. So you just have to go for your Binance Pro. That is exactly what you want to do. Okay? So as I've said, make sure you are on your Binance Pro. So click on more. This is the more icon here. Here, more. Click on more. Once you click on more, you scroll down. Scroll down to where you see API management here. Okay? Once then you click on API management, the first thing you must do is to give the API you wanted to create you give it a name, because it is possible you have more than one APIs, but the very one, each API must have a name, a unique identification. It must have a name, because different API might have different settings. To this purpose, you must give your API a name. For instance, now, look at this place here. Create API. But before you create API, this circle here, this place here, you must give it a name. Here, this place, write a name and give it a name. Okay? So let's assume that I give it Royal, because I want to be able to know what it is all about. I give it Royal Trade Bot, Royalty Bot. Okay, then I click on create. It's going to ask me to answer some questions. It will send my code, send everything. So once I've answered, imputed the code and this verification, so then this will be created. The API will be created. Once this API is created, by default, only one box is checked. By default, only one box is checked. You see this drop down? This drop down. Click on the drop down here and see. You will see that you see these two boxes: enable reading, enable spot and margin trading. When you just created yours, whenever you create yours afresh, this will not be there. It will be enable reading. So you have to click on edit. You will have to click on edit. Once you click on edit, you see this is how it will be when you first of all create it. So you have to click on edit, then you come down and tick it. Once you tick it, you click on save. Okay, that is when it will trade. Then all you need to do is to copy the API key. This is the API key. This long key is the API key. You copy this API key, you go back to your application here and you click on API binding. You click on API binding. So once you click on API binding, you enter your API key. Okay, so because it is Binance, I will click on Binance, then I will paste my API key here. So for the API secret key, all I have to do is, for the secret key, I have to go back here and I have to copy it. In that case, because it is secret key and it is really not meant to be seen by people, so that someone else is not going to be using your API to be trading. Though the money will be going into your account, nobody can withdraw. You cannot withdraw through Prosy in Binance. You cannot withdraw through API. Robot cannot withdraw. That is, your money is very safe. But you want to avoid the issue whereby someone will be using your API to be trading. So after you have done just that, all you need to do, it will be bonded just the same way like this. It is done. Once you have done all I ask you to do, then we can now go back to the home page. It will look like this. The next thing is to send fund to your account. How to transfer money to your account. I have made another video in respect of that. Please do check out my other video on how to transfer fund. Click on mine, then click on assets. Once you click on assets, then you click on deposit. You only need to deposit $100 for 1 year activation code. $100. You copy this address, you go straight to your Binance. This is TRC20 wallet. TRC20 wallet. USDT. You must transfer USDT. So let's quickly go to our Binance. Once you go to your Binance, you click on your wallet, then you click on deposit. You click on withdraw. On your Binance, you have to click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, then you look for USDT. You click on USDT. You paste the address you just copied. Then you put the amount of money. Ensure if you are transferring $100, it is only for that USDT. If you are transferring $100, mind you, $100 is only for the activation of the code. So you need to transfer more than $100 for some charges, the fuel, the charges from the company. They take 20% from every gain you make. But because they don't have access to your Binance account, they cannot withdraw from your Binance account. So you must have that money ready in your Royal app account. So deposit at least extra of $10 to $20, which makes it a total of either 110 or 120. I will suggest you deposit 120. So when the app has been activated for $10, for $100 for a whole year, you will have extra of $20 for the app or the company to be deducting from whenever you have a successful trade. Your trade, your profit, they charge that profit. They take 20%. That is how they make their own money as well, because they are giving you this application, this very great app, for just $100 for a whole year. So paste the address here. The address you just copied from your application. Then automatically a Binance application sees it as Tron wallet, Tron network. Leave it as it is. Then we are to send at least 120 US dollars. You see they are charging us $1. So you make it $121. So if you want to send 120, or you can and send 120, so you have $19 left. All you need to do is to click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, click confirm and enter your security answers. Okay, then the money will come straight to your account. Because I already have an active account, I just opened this account in order to be able to make tutorial for you guys. I have an active account already. That is one. Because if your account is not active, you cannot refer anybody. If you don't have money, but you have at least $100, activate your account. Then you will now invite people, because this thing is really working. The money you get from inviting people, the company pays you $30 on everybody you refer. If you are able to refer 4 people, that is $120 for you. You will just use that money to start the trade. Exactly. That is so. Now let's assume that you have just $100. How do you activate after you have sent the money into this account? So you go back to your home, click on your mine, this mine icon here. You can see the mine here, the blue icon. Then you see this activate. Just click on it. Once you click on activate, click on confirm. Okay, then don't touch anything here. All you need to do, it says total $100. Click on activate. If there is money in your account, it will be successfully activated, and this place will change automatically to renew. This place here, it will change to renew. Once that change to renew, it means you have been activated for a whole 1 year. This is how to register, to download, to register, to bind your Binance account with your Royal Q trading bot, and also to activate your account. This is 3-in-1. Once again, Odeyemi Akinyemi remain my humble name. I am here to mentor you. Next video, we'll be dealing with the settings. Even though you are a newbie, you don't need to know anything about forex trading. You don't need to know anything about cryptocurrency market. You don't need to know anything. If you are as old as 80 years old, or you are as young as 10 years old, as far as you can punch enter key, you can do this. I'm going to put you through in my next video. Let's watch out for it. Thank you and God bless you.